Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Please Contact iTunes Support to complete the transaction in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to make any transaction, or if you're trying to create Apple ID or adding your payment method into your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that you have see a message you have to contact with iTunes Support. So let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing is that you can try to connect with the strongest network connection and then disconnect from your VPN if you're connected. After disconnecting with the VPN, you have to retry it, but sometimes it might be that VPN is connected, so you are unable to make any payments because your payment method is location based content and your VPN affects payment methods. So after that, if you're still facing the same issues, so you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use browser and here search for Apple Support. And here open the first website, then select your iPhone from here, then scroll down and you will get the option of get support. Here's the option of get support. Just tap on start now. If you want to download your get support app, you can easily download it from here. Just tap on start now option. So I have installed support app, so it is opening in my support app, but in your case it will open in your browser and you'll see this type interface. From here just select this more option, then scroll down and you will find the iTunes store. Here's this tab on iTunes store and then wait for this loading. So let's get this get more help. Then select call us. Now you will find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can easily describe your issue and get official support from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.